Sound like you're broadcasting live even when you're not by using voice tracking. It's an easy way to keep listeners engaged about what's coming up, what's been played, and to cover breaking news. Typically, professional radio stations keep listeners informed during shows when segueing between tracks. Here in the UK, pretty much anything newsworthy gets broadcast, like this.
So breaking news, Radio.co is now giving you the chance to get your station off the ground as fast as possible by giving you the opportunity to sit down with one of our radio experts. All you need to do to book in a demo of our system is to contact studio@radio.co or head to our website where you'll find more information on booking your demo.
Recorded audio clips like this are useful for breaking news, events, and even promotions throughout the day. If your local coffee shop has tweeted that they're giving something away for free, or if a listener has messaged in to say that it's their birthday, it only takes a few minutes to record a little clip which you can play out. So using Radio.co's voice tracker, you can easily record little snippets of audio which you can drop into your queue, add to your playlists, or even program entire radio shows so it sounds like you're broadcasting live. So you can use voice tracking from your browser. In your Radio.co dashboard, under Media Voice Tracking, add a new audio clip by selecting New Voice Track. Click the red button and choose your microphone from the drop-down of Input Devices. Then click the button again to start recording. You can record up to 10 minutes per voice track. Once you're happy with how it sounds, just add a title and artist to describe your track. It should now be in your voice tracking library, ready to be added to your playlists. If it needs a bit of editing, you can use the voice editor. Move the key points to adjust when the clip starts and ends, or move the fade in and out for a smoother transition between tracks. Voice tracking allows you to cover breaking news events or keep listeners updated when and wherever they happen, even if you're out and about. Just access your Radio.co dashboard and get recording. So, have you tried the voice tracker yet? Let us know how you're using it in the comments, or if you have any questions about this feature or anything else about Radio.co, then feel free to contact us at studio@radio.co. Thank you very much for watching.